Whoa. Hi, you're watching Patadendron, and today's video, we're here at Rolling Greens in Culver City, California. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm Patrick, and I love plants. Today, we are out on another planty adventure. We're plant shopping. We're here at the beautiful Rolling Greens, and there's 3 whole levels to look at, and it's gonna be a lot, so let's just get it started. I was instantly drawn to this hanging plant section, and look at this beautiful lipstick plant. Oh, she's so lush, so full, and so beautiful. And they have an 8-inch curly lipstick for $37.50, also very full. I'm tempted. Hoya australis lisas for $21.50. And they also have Hoya macrophylla, or Hoya latifolia. Look at this leaf though. That one's cool looking. I just met the lovely Emily. She works here. She's super nice. So shout out Emily, and look at this beauty. Isn't that cute? These are $17.50, which I think is really good. So I mentioned before that a lot of the Hoya carnosa crimson princesses that I've seen are like mostly reverted. This one is mostly variegated. There's still some that's reverted, but that's okay. Look how full and just happening that is. This pot is nice and full. These are all $17.50. Did I say that already? And Hoya curtisii for $21.50. Ooh, this is exciting. Some begonias. Begonia masoniana for $16.50. This is nice, very full 6-inch pot. There are some other Rexes. I wish that we knew the different types of cultivars. Love that hairy new growth. Super cute. This is really cute too. I'm going through a begonia renaissance myself. These anthuriums are looking awesome. I'm loving the color on this. Isn't that cool? And then, oh, I love these too. Caladiums. Looking nice and full. Love the pink ones. These are $18.50 for the 6-inch pots. Whoa, this is actually a really cool Sansevieria. I've not seen this yet. Sansevieria parva. Look at that though. Isn't that cute? That looks like a really cute growth pattern. And these are only $15.50. I think all the Sansevierias are no, sorry. The cylindrica is $17.50. They have a sale section? Nice. These are 25% off. Whoa, what is this? That's like a cool vase type thing. A wooden bowl. Ooh, this would be nice for some bromeliads for 50% off. They used to be $59.50. Stromanthe Trio Star is now $10. And those spider plants are now $8. Ooh, they have large 8-inch pots of the Crimson Princess. The leaves are beautiful. Look at that. Oh wow, I feel like these are a good deal. These are only $34.50. Ooh, These Tenanthe lubercianas are looking cute. These are $19.50. Sorry about the noise. There's lots of fans in here. But they have some beautiful 6-inch Spathiphyllum platinum mists. These are peace lilies, and these are $19.50. And the regular peace lilies, the Spathiphyllum, is $16.50. Spathiphyllum Dario. Is that what it's called? The regs? Well, these are looking great. I'm loving how easy the Spathiphyllum is too. It took me a while to jump on board with Spathiphyllums, and now that I have two, I'm loving them. They're one of my favorites because they're so chill. Do you guys like bromeliads? These are really pretty. Wow. I didn't realize how expensive they were. So this one's $72, and this one's $27.50. I really like this one. This one actually caught my eye. Loving the, looks like kind of like lightning bolts. Kind of reminds me of the lightning bolts in the Macodius petola, that jewel orchid. And this one's $27.50 for the 6-inch. And we have some 4-inch prayer plants. These are $12.75. But these have the beautiful big leaves that I love. One of the easier calatheas too. Look at that beautiful underside. Oh, look at that new growth. And the leaves look like they're going to be nice and big. Love it. These are some of the best Calathea macroyanas I've ever seen. Whoa, check out this Calathea Beauty Star. Oh, look at that new growth. That's awesome. These are $12.50 also. Yeah. 4-inch Micans. These are $36. And some Hoya Crimson Queens. Look how pretty this leaf is. So pretty. These are $16.50? No, $15.50. And Hoya Curtisiis are $15.50 as well. Ooh. Alocasia Maharani for $29.50. These are looking good. Loving the big leaves. You know, I was never able to get big leaves out of mine. I don't know what that was about. But these have nice big leaves. Oh, speaking of big leaves, this one's huge. Alocasia Ivory Coast for $10.50. Nice. Oh, I almost missed these Syndapsis. And how could I? It's like one of my favorite plants. Syndapsis pictus argyrius for $32.50, and the Exotica is $32.50 also. And Syngonium white butterfly is $15.50. Ooh, so this is one of the first times that I've seen the Oncidium Sherry Baby in person shopping, and this is the Red Fantasy. I tried getting a whiff and I did not smell anything. And these are $43. So are these. These are really cute. And I thought these were really pretty. Isn't that pretty? Loving the brown in there. That was a lot of fun. That was also just level 1, so let's go look at level 2. Gorgeous day, isn't it? So pretty. And it's so pretty out here. Like, all the plants look amazing out here in the sun. Look at these huge Kalanchoe baharensis. These Euphorbia amax are huge. These look so good. Ah, much better. Away from the speakers. They have some golden barrel cacti for, these are 52 each. If I plant one now, I can have 100-year, oh, never mind. And the silver torches are $24.50. Euphorbia millii, $32.50. Also known as the crown of thorns. The flowers are really cute though. Ooh. This is a cool looking Opuntia. Opuntia microdaisies for $49. And what else do we have here? Myrtillo cactus for $34.50. I don't want to get poked. Euphorbia trigona is $21. And then look at this huge Euphorbia coerulescens. This one's $105. It's cool looking though. It's huge. Speaking of huge, here's another gigantic Kalanchoe barensis. This one's $215. Very cool looking. The breeze feels so nice too. It's a hot day. It's like 100 degrees is what the temperature says in my car. So this feels amazing. Wow, this looks amazing. Check out this view. There it is. LA. Ooh, look at how cute these pots are. What beautiful pottery. And this long one is $145. It's pretty. Lots of echeveria and sempervivum. I don't know what these are, but these are cute. Is this an echeveria? Setosa maybe? But these all have general pricing. 2-inch pots are $350. 4-inch pots are $750. And 6-inch pots are $14.50. String of nickels, Xerosicios dangui, also known as the silver dollar vine. I see these a lot, but oftentimes I see these priced higher than a lot of other plants. I don't know why, but I have yet to pick one of these up. On to level 3. I really love the arrangement of this nursery with the 3 levels. You know, 2 houseplant levels, with the 3rd one being really big houseplants. So here we go. Let's get lost in the jungle. Ooh, these cast iron plants are looking great. So there's a ton of cast iron plants. These are $105 each. Whoa. Look at these Ficus Audrey leaves. They're huge. These are... oh, no wonder. That Ficus Audrey is $2.95. And this one is $80. I love this fishtail palm. So pretty. And the 3rd and final greenhouse. Isn't it looking lush? Whoa, I almost overlooked this silver stored. These Philodendron histotums. I don't know how much they are, but the leaves are huge. Let's see if I can find a price. Maybe I can find some other ones that aren't jammed in a pot like that. Check out these regal shields. Don't those look magnificent? The leaves are so big. And they are $125 each. There's some 8-inch hanging baskets of pothos. Golden pothos is $32.50 and the marble queen is $34.50. Wow, look at this sea of Dracaena Song of Indias. Ooh, okay, $54.50 for the 8-inch Brazil. You know what I'd love to find is a Brazil Carnival. $16.50 for the 6-inch pots. Look how pretty this one is. Yeah, Brazil carnivals are cool. It's like an inverted variegation pattern. These Scheffleras are actually really cool. Very cool. These Monstera deliciosas are $195. Rhaphidophora tetrasperma is $135 as well. And $87.50 for these large money trees. I really want to know how much these are. The spider plants here actually are super cute. Look, there's one that's flowering. These are $16.50, and then these huge 8-inch ones are $25, and they're pretty tempting. Look at this Ficus tanica leaf. So cute. Actually, so beautiful is more the word. $34.50 for this 8-inch pot. It's got 3 plants in there. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Successful plant shopping trip. Can you tell what I got? Yeah, this little baby spider is hitting me. I got that awesome spider plant because I just thought it was just too good to pass up. It was too beautiful, too big, and for only 25 bucks. What a deal. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye.
Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove. Yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route. Yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove. Yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance.